What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video. My audio is going to be a little off because I don't have my mic, unfortunately. So bear with me on this. Let's get straight into it. So Home Depot has their special buy today. And let's just go through some of these deals. I'm going to leave this page up. You can go through it as normal in the description, but I'm going to talk about some of the deals here. We have first up this Ryobi Jigsaw, circular saw, this is always a good deal, $69 for these two. So there you go there. Moving on. We have a Plunge Saw Kit with the 2 amp-hour battery, and a charger. I'm just going to leave this here. I have no experience with this tool at all. You guys let us know if you've used this particular plunge saw in the comments. Is this a good buy at $99? I don't know. So I would like to get some feedback from you guys. So I'm going to leave that right there. Moving on, we have this Milwaukee deal. So you have the fuel. What is this? This is a 5 3/8 inch metal circular saw. All right. And then you have the M18 fuel compact impact wrench, which again, I like it better. I will say this. I did get my hands on it. I had it for a while. I just didn't open it up. I opened it up and I compared it to, I'm going to have to do that video maybe next week. The Makita LXT, the Metabo HPT 18 volt, as well as the Milwaukee Stubby. And in fact, the Milwaukee right angle wrench. It has a beautiful LED. I would definitely say that it has the best lighting out of all of them. It feels a lot better than the Stubby in your hand. I mean, that Stubby is awful. This feels much better in your hand. And it produces 250 foot-pounds fastening and 250 foot-pounds loosening, according to the manual. While those numbers are not impressive, the tool is okay. It's okay, but I still don't like it because it costs more than the Makita, and the Makita smokes this thing. The Makita doesn't have as good of a light, but it smokes this thing. I mean, it's like 430 foot-pounds of torque loosening. It's crazy. And the Makita costs less. So, I still don't like this tool. And not only that, the Metabo HPT feels incredible. Metabo's HPT produces this almost pretty much the same numbers as this one. It's like 225, this is 250. But the Metabo HPT feels better in your hand. You can use the light as a flashlight. You can turn it on and off on the Metabo HPT. Plus, it has a lifetime warranty. Come on. It's better. But the Makita is my tool of choice. Anyway, I have no experience with the circular saw. $209. It's a really good deal considering this is about that itself. So, there you go. Moving on. You have this. Why do I have this up? Okay, I have this up just to remind you guys that this kit does exist. You can buy this starter kit and hack this. I don't recommend doing that because you'll be screwing yourself. First of all, if you're interested in these two 6 amp-hour batteries, just get this thing for $189. That's an incredible deal. All right, but you can also, we have this a little further down here. We also have this on a hack. So you can hack this and just get a 4 amp-hour battery, and this whole kit becomes $99. In addition to that, we have, I'm going all out of order, we have the M18, which you can get the M18 with a 5 amp-hour battery, and that's good. But and if you're adamant about staying in the M18 line, do this. But the only difference between this and the M12 is that the M12 is a lot more sleeker at the end because of the battery. The M12 has slightly less vibration in my experience, but the M18 has that auto function, which works horribly for me. I don't like it. I'd rather throw the thing on 10 and get busy, but I prefer the M12. I think you have a better experience with the M12 with this whole kit for $99 plus. If you're new to the line and this is your first Milwaukee tool, this doesn't come with a charger. So you might as well do this for half the price. It's literally half the price, and get a whole kit and get a superior tool. In my opinion, it's superior. Moving on. All right, we have this Ridgid deal. I'm going to try not to dwell on this too long. It's $299. That's not bad, but I don't like Ridgid tools. They're okay. And people like them just like I did because I thought they had a lifetime warranty. They don't have a lifetime warranty. They have a lifetime service agreement. They only have, what, a 3-year warranty. And the words, even though if you read the lifetime service agreement, it reads just like a warranty, sounds like a warranty, but there's no protection from the FTC. If it says it's a warranty, the FTC will sue the company on your behalf if they don't honor their warranty or do what they're supposed to do. A lifetime service agreement is just between you and Rydgid can deny you for any reason they feel. With that said, these tools have some respectable numbers. This impact drivers, 1,800 inch-pounds. They claim the drill is only, I think, 425. Okay, 425. Yeesh, that's some 12-volt numbers right there. This reciprocating saw has a 7/8 stroke, which I think has 3,200 strokes per minute. Yes, it's 3,200 strokes per minute. Which is very good. Those are very good numbers for a one-handed reciprocating saw. Usually they're just over a half inch. So the fact that this is almost an inch, that's crazy because that'll do branches fine if it really produces the power. It'll do branches fine. Then you have this cutoff tool, which I love these little things. They come in handy. I had to use my Milwaukee yesterday. That's all right for $2.99. I'm just not fond of Ridgid. Ridgid, their numbers are often skewed. Not all the time, but most of the time. And they just, even though they have good specs, they generally don't compare it to other brands for some odd reason. On the flip side is we have this Bosch over at Acme Tools. Now you might be saying, dude, that's $50 more. But hear me out. Let's look at you have a drill, you have a one-handed reciprocating saw, you get a flashlight. You guys know I don't really like the flashlights, but I do like that this one, you can hang it. And you have their freak. So this is an impact driver and an impact wrench. So you're really getting 1, 2, 3, 4.5 tools. Let's call it 4.5. But they also have this promotion where you get a sander and another battery, right, for $349. So you're getting a lot more. Now let's look at the specs. The impact wrench with the freak does 1,600 inch-pounds. Where is it? 1,600 inch-pounds. So 200 inch-pounds less than the Ridgid, if the Ridgid really produces those numbers. So this is on paper a little less powerful. I didn't see how many blasts per minute. I've never seen that word, blast per minute. But to keep in mind, it's an impact wrench and an impact driver. My money goes towards the Bosch for that. The drill, 600 inch-pounds of torque. On the Ridgid, it was 425. The stroke on this is also 7/8. So, similar stroke there. I will say the Ridgid looks a little more compact though. But this big old hump here. But I don't know, this Bosch looked like it would perform a little bit better to me. Especially you look at this Ridgid, they shouldn't have put that little blade in there. That's really what's throwing me off. This is a much more robust blade on that Bosch. I think this will put it into work better. And you get 2 2-amp-hour batteries, where over here you get a 4-amp-hour battery and a 2-amp-hour battery. But again, I don't know what battery comes with this. I want to say it's a 4-amp-hour battery, but it might be 2. And whatever. You're getting 3 batteries over here. And to me, this is just worth it because over here at Acme Tools, you also have Rakuten. If you don't know about Rakuten, it's a free cashback extension. If you're new to it, you have to use my link in the description. You'll get $30 cashback in addition to the 2% cashback on your purchase. So use my link. If you buy this or anything else from Acme Tools and spend at least $30, you'll get $30. So, to me, this is the better buy. Now just move on. All right, planer. Planer's always good at $59 from the Ryobi. They have this angle grinder from Milwaukee. This is the paddle switch, and it comes with a 5-amp-hour battery. This is a good deal, $159. This is usually $199 itself, so it's giving you $40 off plus a 5-amp-hour battery. I don't like that there's no charger, but more than likely, if you're in Milwaukee already and looking at this angle grinder, you already have a charger. So, moving on, this Gen 3 hammer drill. It's a Gen 3. And again, I think they're still selling these just because they're so identical to the Gen 4. At $139, this is a good deal because this battery alone is like $119. So this is still a very good drill with this high output 3.0 compact battery. You can't go wrong with this at $139. You can, if you just wanted to drill, you could hack it and get it for $99, but spend an extra $40 and get this battery. Trust me. And now, last but not least, they have this Ridgid mid-torque impact wrench, and it comes with a little rubber boot. And so you guys might be looking, oh, $179, I gotta buy it. 650 foot-pounds of breakaway, and it has 500 fastening. Again, I don't trust Ridgid's numbers. You can just go to the Torque Test channel and just look up anybody that has Ridgid tools. I have Ridgid tools too. That's what I'm telling y'all from experience. My Ridgid tools don't hold up. They're better than my Ryobi tools. Light years better than those, always have been. But when I put them up against Milwaukee or Metabo HPT or my DeWalt's, come on, man. Put these Ridgids away, right? So anyway, let's take a gander. This is $179, 650 foot-pounds, 500 fastening. Or you can come over here to Toolbarn, and again, you get your Toolbarn bucks, right? That'll give you coupons towards future purchases. Plus, you have your Rakuten again with your $30 cash back on your first purchase, plus the extra 2% cash back. Plus, there's a coupon somewhere for like $5 off. It's like a $5 off, $125. Yeah, right here. Get Retail Me Not. Find your coupon code. So yeah, Retail Me Not. There's a little coupon code. Retail Me Not, just like Rakuten. Sign up for both. You don't get anything for sign up for Retail Me Not other than these nice little coupon codes, and that's going to be instant. It's going to take that $5 off in the cart. So $184. So this is $5 extra in the Ridgid. Now let's look at these numbers. You have 774 foot-pounds nut busting and 568 fastening. Those numbers are better than Ridgid. Plus, this has a true lifetime warranty. Doesn't say lifetime service agreement because, again, Ridgid has a 3-year warranty and a lifetime service agreement if you sign up. Metabo HPT, you don't have to register anything. It's just a lifetime warranty, period. And if they don't act right, the FTC will jump in. It already comes with a rubber boot on there, okay? You know, it's not an extra accessory. It's already on there. Plus, this is IP56 rated, and you can plug it into the wall if you run out of battery juice or use the battery. This is a better value all the way around. And it's only $5 extra because you have your $5 off $125. So that is what I buy over this Ridgid all day. So that is the video for today. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.